Are you ready to land your dream internship or your very first job, but you're stuck wondering how to write a killer resume that stands out from the crowd? Stop scrolling because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to craft a resume so impressive that recruiters can't ignore it. And the best part, this is tailored specifically for students like you who may not have years of experience but still have so much to offer. So grab a notebook because this could change the way you apply for opportunities forever. Part 1, Why your resume matters. Let's start with the basics. Why does your resume matter so much? Think of your resume as your personal brand, a quick snapshot of who you are and what you bring to the table. Did you know that recruiters spend an average of just 6 to 7 seconds scanning a resume before deciding if they want to dig deeper? That's right, your resume isn't just a list of your experiences, it's your ticket to opening doors. The difference between a killer resume and a mediocre one can literally determine whether you get an interview or end up in the rejection pile. But don't worry, we're about to make sure your resume is anything but mediocre. Part 2, Structuring your resume for success. Now let's get into the meat of it. First things first, the structure. Your resume should be clean, organized, and easy to read. Stick to one page, yes, just one. As a student, less is more. At the top, you'll want to start with a professional header. Include your full name, email address, phone number, and LinkedIn profile if you have one. Skip the unnecessary stuff like your home address is outdated and irrelevant. Next is the most important section, your objective or summary. But here's the key, this is generic fluff like I'm a hard worker looking for an opportunity. Instead, use this space to highlight your skills and career goals. For example, motivated marketing student with experience in social media campaigns seeking an internship to apply creative strategies and drive brand engagement. See the difference? It's clear, concise, and shows value right off the bat. So part 3, Education, make it shine. Moving on to the education section. As a student, this is often your strongest selling point. Start with your degree, your major, and the name of your school. Don't forget to include your GPA if it's above 3.5.5. Recruiters love numbers. And if you've taken any specialized courses relevant to the job, like Digital Marketing 101 or Introduction to Python, be sure to list them here. Pro tip, if you're in your sophomore year or beyond, it's okay to drop your high school details, focus on the most recent and relevant information. Part for experience, even without a job, you have something to show. Now comes the experience section, and I know what you think, but I don't have any experience, worry. This section is about more than just traditional work, history and work. Include internships, part time jobs, volunteer work, and even class projects. For example, let's say work on group project where you analyze data and present it. You could write collaborated with a team of 5 to analyze and present key consumer trends, resulting in a 20% improvement in understanding market demand. It's all about framing what you've done in a way that shows your skills and impact. Remember, focus on action verbs and quantifiable results. Words like led, created, organized, and improved grab attention. And always answer the question, so what, how did your actions benefit the project, team, or organization? So that's what recruiters care about. Part 5, Skills that sell you. Next, we have the skills section. This is a chance to showcase both hard skills like proficiency in Microsoft Excel, Photoshop, or coding, and soft skills like communication, leadership, and problem solving. If the job posting mentions specific skills, try to align your list with those. And remember, be honest. You don't want to claim you're fluent in Spanish if you can barely order tacos at a restaurant. Part 6, Optional sections that make you stand out. Now let's talk about those extra sections that can make your resume pop. If you've received awards, scholarships, or honors, create a dedicated section for them. For example, Dean's List Spring 2024 or recipient of the XIZ Leadership Scholarship, they show you're an achiever. Additionally, if you participated in clubs, sports, or leadership roles, mention those under an activities and leadership section. These give recruiters a sense of your personality and teamwork skills. And don't forget certifications. If you've taken an online course or gotten certified in something like Google Analytics or HubSpot, put it here. These extras can be the edge you need to outshine the competition. Part 7, Polish and final touches. Finally, let's polish that resume, proofread it, and then proofread it again. Spelling or grammar mistakes are instant deal breakers for recruiters. Use consistent formatting, stick to one font, size, and spacing style throughout. And save your resume as a PDF to ensure it looks the same on any device. Don't forget to tailor your resume for every job you apply to. That's right, no generic resumes. Take a few minutes to tweak your objective, skills, or experience to align with the specific role you're applying for. Trust me, it's worth the effort. And there you have it. That's how you write a killer resume as a student. Now, here's your challenge at rating everything you've learned today and start building or updating your resume right now. Don't wait until the perfect job comes along. Be prepared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more career tips and advice that will set you apart from the competition. And hey, if you have any questions about your resume or need feedback, drop a comment below. I'll be checking them and helping out as much as I can. Remember, your dream job is just one killer resume away. Go make it happen.